Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Let's Slice Data with Saurabh. So today we are here to discuss about cloud. It's everywhere and if you do not know then you're losing something. So better learn it, start working with it, and if you want to do any certifications like Azure 900 fundamentals or anything, so you have to understand about these basic terminologies, and I'm going to cover this only so that basically you will get some questions also in the Azure fundamental certifications if you want to do on the cloud, because everything is related to that. So today we'll start with the private cloud. So what is the private cloud? Private cloud is a cloud computing environment that is dedicated to a single organization or an entity. Single organization, when I'm saying, it is not connected with the third world. So they are just maintaining their own data. Unlike public clouds that are shared among multiple organizations, a private cloud provides exclusive use and control over the infrastructure and the resources. So this is the important part, that they have the full control on the infrastructure and the resources. Something will go wrong, they are the responsible for that. Means like they cannot blame it to anyone else. That's why, because they are having the private cloud. If we move to the next slide, that is public cloud. So public cloud is a great thing to know, and everybody is talking about it. So private cloud is for the single entity. Public cloud refers to a cloud services that is provided by the third party services provided over the providers over the internet. Like in a public cloud, the infrastructure and resources are shared among multiple organizations or users. These cloud services are typically delivered as pay as you go basis. So this is important, like whatever storage you need, whatever compute you need, whatever virtual machines you need, whatever kind of support you need, that only you can take and you can pay for that, allowing users to scale resources up and down as needed. Let's say today I have like 1 lakh customers or 100,000 customers with me. I need more data to be stored. Maybe I need more storage. So that is fine, I can purchase that. But tomorrow, if I do not need that, let's say my customers have gone, I can reduce that space as well, and I can pay only what I need. So what are the public cloud? Public cloud providers handle the management, maintenance, security of the infrastructure. Everything they will maintain. You are not responsible for the security of data, management, maintenance. Everything will be done by the third party or the other party who is taking care of that. So the three important public cloud providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. So these three are important: AWS, GCP, and MS Azure. So they have the shared resources, as I told you, scalability, anytime you can scale up or down, cost efficiency, users pay for the resources they consume. Means like they do not have to pay any upfront infrastructure cost, because in maintaining the infrastructure you need some space, you need servers, you need to take care of the security, need to take care of maintenance and everything. Everything will be handled by like cloud provider. He will maintain and he will do the handle the maintenance, updates, security of the infrastructure. So this is their job, not your job. That's why people are moving very fast to this public cloud. Now they don't want to go into the um, private cloud anymore. And this is the third one, which is hybrid cloud. Again, they will ask you that, okay, what is hybrid cloud? So maybe both public and private cloud, both components will be there that combines both. And a hybrid cloud organization integrate their private cloud infrastructure within one or more public cloud providers. Let's say they will take some services from GCP, some services from AWS, and some services from Microsoft Azure. The integration allows for seamless data application portability between the public and private environments. So they can utilize this as well. Like they have their own particular maintenance, that is their private cloud, as well as they have collaboration with the public cloud as well. So this is called the hybrid cloud. So we are clear on private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud. So now we are moving at infrastructure as a service. So this is the baby step when we are entering into some, public cloud of kind of model. So there are three things. First is infrastructure as a service. Second is platform as a service. And the third one is software as a service. So you have to understand that what is the basic difference between them. When we are talking about the infrastructure as a service, they will provide you only infrastructure, and that what it takes to compare become an infrastructure. What infrastructure is there when we are talking about cloud? The first thing is the computer servers, that basically are virtual machines. They have some data centers which are sitting into the entire world, maybe in some other different locations, and they will provide you the virtual machines, load balancers. This is very important, guys, because the main purpose of the load balancer is to evenly distribute incoming network request. So it will never be, it will make sure that your work will never stop, because network request among pool of servers to prevent any individual server from being overwhelmed. So they will stop that. So virtual machines, load balancers, storage, as I told you in the beginning, right? When you go for a public cloud, you need storage. So they will give you a lot of storage on a very cheaper cost. You don't have to worry about anything. I mean, for the safety, security, and everything. So they will take care of that. But you are responsible for operating system. This is your responsibility in the infrastructure as a service. So you have to understand that when you're talking about IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, they will provide you virtual machine, load balancers, compute, basically, and then the cloud storage. So three things: virtual machine, load balancer, and storage they will provide. But installing and maintaining and licensing of operating system, everything will be owned by you. So you need just a laptop or internet connection to connect with that. You are not purchasing any physical server, you are just purchasing cloud VMs to work on that. They will give you that, then you will operating system you have to install into that, then you have to maintain it, you have to take care of the licenses, everything will be owned by you. That is infrastructure as a service. So they will give you only three things. Again, I'm telling you: virtual machines, load balancers, and storage. So these three things will be provided by them. Who are these three? GCP, AWS, MS Azure, IBM Cloud, all these people are there. They will provide you infrastructure if you want to work on, if you have your operating system and you are able to maintain it, install it, and you are taking care of their licenses, everything. So you can use this infrastructure as a service. But platform as a service, this is a very simple way. I mean, this is the another step. If you add something in infrastructure as a service, then it will become a platform as a service. So infrastructure as a service will provide you what? I'm telling you, they will provide you virtual machines, load balancers, and storage. But in a platform as a service, they will provide you operating system as well. So you don't have to worry about the maintenance cost, operating cost of the licensing or whatever for the operating system. Pay as you go. So Microsoft Azure App Service and Google App Engine. So this will provide you, basically, if I read the definition, PaaS focuses on providing a development and deployment platform. It offers pre-configured development tools, runtime environments, and services that simplify the application development process. PaaS allows developers to focus more on writing codes and building applications rather than managing the infrastructure, because operating system, they will take care. They will provide you that particular environment to play, basically. So it will become a playground for you, that okay, you can go there and start working on that directly focus on the coding part. You don't have to worry about the infrastructure part as well. So you remember this thing: infrastructure as a service will provide you three things: virtual machines, load balancers, and storage. In platform as a service, you will get the operating system as well. So you don't have to worry about that. So these two are the basic difference which you have to learn. All the GCP, AWS, and Microsoft Azure are the infrastructure as a service. But when you talk about platform as a service, then it is Microsoft Azure App Service, because here you can start coding directly, because they will provide you that particular kind of development environment. They will give you that platform that, okay, you can go and directly work on that, because operating system will be taken care by them. So this is the basic difference. Now, if we talk about the software as a service, this is the third one, and it is very important one, that SaaS stands for software as a service. It is a cloud computing model where software applications are delivered over the internet as a service. Gmail, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever you are doing, is they all are a software as a service. You don't have to worry about their infrastructure, operating system. Everything will be taken care by them. They will give you simple login ID and password, and you have to start working that. So Gmail, Zoom, everything you are using day by day, that is a software as a service. You have to remember this. This is the simple one. So three are this: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and then software as a service. These three are important. Here you do not have to worry about the operating system, infrastructure, or any software applications. Everything will be done. Applications also will be taken care here. So three important things: virtual machines, load balancers, and storage in infrastructure as a service. In platform, they will add the operating system. In software, they will add the applications as well. So these are the basic difference which you have to know and learn about. See, this diagram is very common everywhere, is on the internet. So if you talk about the on premises, so you have to take care from networking to application, everything. But when you talk about infrastructure as a service, you have to just take care of operating system and above that, like operating system, runtime, data, and application. Because virtualization means like VMs, servers, storage, networking, load balancing, everything will be taken care by IaaS. Then we talk about PaaS, that is platform as a service. So here you don't have to worry about the operating system as well. They will take care of that particular operating system. You have to just worry about application and data, and you can play with that. Simple. Then when you talk about SaaS, that is software as a service, which is very important. Gmail, Facebook, whatever you are doing, everything is software as a service. So here you don't have to worry about the application as well. So what is the basic difference? Here operating system is not included. Here application is not included. Here nothing is there. So you don't have to worry about this. Your orange part will be taken care by you, and the gray part will be taken care by the service providers. So starting from networking to virtualization in IaaS, add operating system also, then PaaS, and then add application also, then SaaS. So these three are the very important. Public cloud, when you enter into that, like you're working in GCP, AWS, or wherever. Then the on-premises. On-premises means like you have to take care of everything, starting from networking to storage to server, and then the security, licensing, maintaining everything. And then you have to take care of this, your resources as well, because they have to do this. This slide I loved a lot. I found it on internet, and I think this will give you a clear picture of traditional on-premise, infrastructure, platform, and software. What is the basic difference? So when you talk about in traditional on-premise, pizza as a service, so everything will be done by you, from starting from cheese to the dining table. Everything will be taken care by you only. But when you talk about infrastructure, through the pizza dough, they will provide you, but fire, oven, electric, gas, everything will be done by you. But when you talk about a platform as a service, you can add fire, oven, electric, gas as well. Then only you have to take care about dining table and soda. And software as a service means like you don't have to take care of anything. So these two slides are connected. So you have to understand that in the first slide, we are talking about on-premise, you have to take care of everything. Then the IaaS, which are where you have to take care of to virtualization. In PaaS, you have to take care of operating system. You have to take care only of data and application. And software as a service, you do not have to take care of anything. Everything will be provided by them. So these things are very important, guys. So I hope you like this lecture because you have seen it till here. So private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. I've covered almost everything. Kindly like, share, and subscribe this channel to get more informative videos, and share it with your friends. That will help you for sure. I'm telling you. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye everyone.